sound of a spun bearing. Beautiful, lovely sound of a spun. Spun bearing 05 FX35. Don't worry, got a proper fix it for her right there. Swap her out real quick. Time is about 6:15. Alright, just a little after 6:15. I still gotta finish cleaning up this motor. Cleaning her up and then let's get to it.